In the box, Go Air comes with earbuds, charging case, 3 sets of gel cushion tips, and the Quick Start Guide with more information on controls and additional support. First time setup. Remove the pull tab. The charging case light will start pulsing blue. Then, remove both earbuds from the case. You can remove the earbuds by either pulling them straight up or by pulling from the inside with one finger. Once out of the case, one of the earbud LEDs turns solid white and the other earbud blinks blue and white, indicating they are ready to pair to your device. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select JLab Go Air. A voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected, followed by solid white lights on both earbuds will indicate that you are connected. You are now ready to use your Go Airs. When the earbuds are taken out of the case, they will auto power on and reconnect to your device. Fitting. A great fit is one of the most important factors in sound quality. Try all of the ear tips for the best fit and proper seal. If you find that your earbuds are sounding a bit quiet, you most likely aren't getting the best fit you can out of them. Try swapping out the ear tips with the larger size that comes in the box. Try all 3 and find which one fits and sounds the best for you. Sometimes you can use a different size or style tip for each ear. Also check out our cloud foam ear tips, available online at jlabaudio.com for even more comfort. To add a new or additional Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth from any previously connected device. Take the earbuds out of the case and they will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing. Turn on Bluetooth from the new device. Select JLab Go Air on the new device. Charging. Placing the earbuds in the charging case will power them off and start charging. The case will first show the charging case battery level. A solid green light means the case has a 25 to 100% charge, and a blinking red light means it has less than 25% battery. A pulsing blue light will then indicate that the earbuds are charging and will turn off when fully charged. The earbuds turn off automatically when placed in the charging case, but to turn them off without it, enter your Bluetooth settings and disconnect the Go Airs. The earbuds will power off after 3 minutes. To charge the case, use the integrated USB cable and connect it to a computer or a USB 5V 1A charging adapter. It is crucial that you use a maximum 5V 1A adapter. The light on the case pulses red when charging and turns solid green when fully charged. On the left earbud touch sensor, tap once for volume down, double tap for your digital assistant, press and hold 1 second to backtrack a song, triple tap to cycle through the EQ settings, JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost. Press and hold 3 seconds to turn on. On the right earbud touch sensor, tap once for volume up, double tap to play and pause, press and hold 1 second to track forward, single tap to answer a call, double tap to hang up while on the phone, press and hold 1 second to reject incoming calls, triple tap to change the EQ setting, press and hold 3 seconds to turn on. The Go Airs have dual connect, meaning you can use either the left or the right earbud individually. Troubleshooting. Bluetooth device does not connect or reconnect. Enter your Bluetooth settings on your device and forget the Go Airs. Leave both earbuds in the charging case, and on one earbud, quickly tap the touch sensor 5 times. The light on the earbud will blink blue 4 times. Repeat with the other earbud, quickly tapping the touch sensor 5 times. Take both earbuds out of the case and wait for one earbud to turn solid white and the other to blink blue and white. You are now ready to connect to your Bluetooth device. Download the JLab Audio app and use the optional burn-in tool to improve sound quality